Hello guys. So today I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone 6 Plus. And a lot of the iPhone 6, they have this condition called the touch disease, in which my phone's working now, but in which your phone will not be responsive to the touchscreen. Sometimes there'll be a little line on the top. And most of the time it's because of a hardware or mechanical issue in the back, in which the phone bends and the stuff gets pretty messed up back there. So I'll show you how to fix it for $5. First of all, you want to turn your phone off. Next, you want to order an iPhone opening kit. It comes with these couple tools. This plastic piece right here to help get the screen out. And it's about $5 on Amazon. I'll send you a link. If you don't know how, there's a couple videos on YouTube that will show you how to open up your iPhone. I'll show you my way. So there are these two screws at the end. I already took the screws out, but you're going to use one of these tools. Remove the screw, place it somewhere. And the screws are pretty small too, so be sure not to lose them. These clamps will be used to help open out the screen. So just try to jimmy in there, find an opening. And again, I'm not an iPhone mechanic. I don't know the best and easiest way. I just do it my way. One right there. And before you begin this, be sure to turn off your phone. And be sure to ground something. That means touch a grounded piece of metal so you don't shock any of your hardware by accident. And just pop this open. Like that. So when you guys actually did open out the screen, there's this plate on the top right hand side, and this plate, it has 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to remove all the screws and place them somewhere where you won't forget, because these screws are pretty small. I've removed most of them, and I'll show you. Yeah, let's take this one out right here. So when you remove that metal piece, it will look like this. Okay? What you want to do is cut off a piece of a credit card or something. This is just one of my past credit cards that I don't use anymore. Cut off a small piece of plastic, and you're gonna gently place it here. So like that. Once you get that in there, just cover it up with the metal piece you had before. Attach the screws back on. And I'm just gonna close my phone now. Okay. Get these last 2 screws back on. Just turn your phone back on. And it should be working a little bit better. So yeah, your phone should be working now. And if you guys tried it and it did work, be sure to comment down below and like this video as well. Alright, thanks guys.